Now that we've got our email marketing quiz all set up, what we're actually going to go and do is actually integrate this with our email marketing system. So if you press integrate, it will come up with various options where you can integrate this directly with various different pieces of systems. So Aweber, Active Campaign, Drip, just Google Sheets, Klaviyo. If you wanted to configure it with, like, say, Slack, so you get a notification, for instance, Zapier's on here, Go High Level's on here, ConvertKit, there's various different ones. So if your email marketing system is not listed here, you would of course want to use Zapier to connect this up. So I'm actually going to connect mine up to Active Campaign. So I'm going to press Configure, and it's going to come in here and say connect with your chosen platform. I'm going to press connect, and it's going to ask me for various pieces of information. So for APIs, usually you can get these from your settings. If I go into my email marketing system, I can go to settings in Active Campaign. It's under developer, I believe, off the top of my head. Yep, developer, and I can get my API. Of course, depending on the system that you're actually using, will depend on where you get this from. So just Google whatever it is that it's asking for, or of course, if you are in the Tech Support Hub, please ask me and I will help you out personally with your platform. And then press save, and then it will basically do this and say it's connected. So now you've got various options that you can do. You can give it a starting tag. So what tag would you want to give people if they started it? So for instance, I might want to tell it that email marketing quiz started, for instance. But as you can see, it's saying no results are found because I've not actually got that tag set up in Active Campaign. So what I would have to do is go into Active Campaign, put that tag, create that tag, and then I can connect it up. Then you've got this bit here, where do you want people to go? Which list is people going to be going on? So what list it's going to be is, I've already created this one just so I could show you on the video, is this one, lead magnet, email marketing quiz, and that's where all my leads are going to get added. They're all going to get added to the email marketing quiz, and I'm going to press save. And then at the bottom here, you can choose where the fields maps go. So I'm basically saying the first name in ScoreApp goes to first name in Active Campaign. The last name in ScoreApp goes to Active Campaign, etc. And if you wanted to, you could map custom fields. So you could say, for instance, let's just say this here, EM score. There we go. The email marketing score, we've got a custom field called that in Active Campaign, and we can say that the total score is what would basically go into here, and it will go in as a percentage, we will say, and it's going to be obviously their total score, and happy as that. So we're now saying basically on this one, whatever the total score is in ScoreApp, put into the EM score in Active Campaign. So if I'm writing an email, I might want to put you scored, and then it puts their score in. So that's where the custom fields come in. And if we press test integration, it will send a test over to my Active Campaign with the lead laura@itmoon.co.uk so that we can test that out. Of course, I know it's going to work, so I'm not going to show you that bit. But what you then need to do is actually go into your automations or workflows, whatever it's going to be called in your email marketing system. And you want to create an automation so that people actually get some automated emails after. So again, you would press on whichever system it is that you're using, create an automation, for instance. Mine just does not want to work right now on this video, but it would normally show up saying, do you want to create, oh, here we go. We want to start one from scratch, and press continue. And then you would say as your trigger that when someone joins the list, so mine's called Lead Magnet Email Marketing Wizardry, that they get a set of emails. And of course, they want to get at least more than one email. And that's going to, because my next step for my quiz is for them to join the Tech Support Hub, is my emails are going to be worded so that it's basically for that. And you can use ChatGPT to help you, like we have been doing all along. So now, for instance, I could say, I am wanting people to join the Tech Support Hub on the back of this. Information for this is on this page. Can you create me an email sequence of 4 emails that I could send after automatically over a 1 week period? Okay, so then now it's going to write the email. What I would encourage you to do is not just to copy and paste these emails in. What you want to do is have a look at their emails, get the ideas from it, but still write them emails yourself. So of course you can see your email level's been received, you scored, don't worry, great news. This is why we created the text support hub. So you can see now it's actually giving me an email sequence that I can create inside my email marketing system, ActiveCampaign, which is what I'm using, and I can pop that all in there. So again, don't just copy and paste it. We don't want the AI to do it at all. We need it to be sounding like us, like you're writing to a friend. So please make sure that you do the edits and you would create that as your email sequence. So again, I would add a starting trigger and say that when someone subscribes to, where is it? This one, the lead magnet email marketing quiz, press save, and then I would put it sends an email. Then it would wait 1 day, send an email. Turn this on, and we are good to go. So hopefully that helps you all along with this course that you've been taking. Really hope that you've managed to get your quiz out there. Send me a link to it. Send us an email, admin@itmoon.co.uk, or if you're in the Tech Support Hub, link it to me in the community. Let's test it out together. And if you get stuck, please just let me know.